Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne came out defending his mother, and Miss D against the landlord, Erica. Well, he's saying basically that the landlord, Erica, grudges people, for their things. He is allegedly making, these statements saying that basically he's saying that his mother had 4 kids or 3 kids and they all were with one person. He's saying that that was not so for Erica. And he's also saying that, Miss D, it was the same thing with Miss D as well. And that was not so for Erica. He's talking about other things. He's saying that, yes, he's here now and he wants her to go to her platform and to go and answer him. He's also playing tapes with her, which seem like their voice notes that were sent out. He had, gotten a hold of it. So, guys, if you really want to know what's happening on this video, you need to go and watch it in its entirety. And from this, you could, go ahead and comment, like, share, the channel. And as you know, Erica, she has her charity. If you're still interested in helping with her charity, you could go ahead and whatever business that's Dwayne has, or whatever he's doing, you could go ahead and support him as well. And guys, remember to have yourselves a wonderful day and hit that notification bell to keep in touch when I'm posting. All right. Have a great one now. Bye.
I have the opportunity now. When we done, go up your life, go in your life, go eat up yourself. And make the people them cuss me and get some pretty scream. I come out that pretty scream. Because imagine you have pitney when I mind you. Imagine you bring for 3 pitney. You bring for 3 pitney in the world. And not one of them like you. Not one of them like you. You don't see a cursed. Dirty stinking old Angela. You don't see a blood clot cursed. Dirty stinking or. You don't see a cursed. All the whole cursed. Or probably the world you come from cursed. So I'm not ask me to tell the truth. You're cursed. You don't see it. You can't chat to nobody. Back up. Alright. Let's jump into other voice notes now. I'm not going to tell you the truth. Understand me? I tell you the truth. I care. I don't give what I don't give a bumble. I don't care. I don't want to dog him up. The fuck? I'm going somewhere.
Too Ross like Dana did over there play a game before. Dana too lie. When she just met the TikTok, she did go over there go play a game too much. Already. That mean I like that she too extra. Dana play a game at TikTok already. Up here, cuss out the whole of them. Blood clot mama jive. Look, I want bomb clot of them. If Dana can dance with 360 and now she turn off her blood clot WhatsApp. She got suck out her thinking mama too. The whole of them a plan. And some of them blood clot plan. Them idiots. Men move up them bomb clot. Take social media and go away. When the blood clot them a mix me up for. Fuck Dana blood clot God. Jesus Christ. I'm tired of this. What is Ashanti? Dana they set me up. Second them blood clot I want. Me don't want them go suck them mother. This is me a come live go tell you one of them to go suck me out. Dana every blood clot money. I want to trophy. We don't want a trophy. Oh God.
Alright. Oh, look at the look at tears now. That's sad, man. And you compare come and go and say a bullbuck and Duplicant is a big stinking done up blood clot or a ballish a bitch. Yes, I see put you might see me ball about okay. But me not ball over none of uno. None of uno can me ball. Imagine you ever tell people to suck out them ma. At least they have a ma for suck out. You understand? At least people don't have a man for suck out. And like you, if you dash for your blood clot, yeah? I'm gonna give you to ring off, you go fuck you at 9 blood clot year old. It's a long to your curse now, a long to is a curse blood clot. Satanic bumble span. You Angela Matthias, you're cursed. For your 9, you're fucking cursed. Imagine you are gonna tell people to suck out them mother. And you, fear man, I look by you. Shit, you was when I look by fear man. At least, over this I look by fear mother. At least, and she care about her mother, though. The question is, do you care about your mother? When last you bring out give some grocery out of the 30 million with your teeth and social with them? When last you bring Lulu? When you promise some grocery out of the 30 million with your teeth and the people in on social media? Plankabas, I'm sure Plankabas are mine and mother. I'm sure about that. You mind for you? When last you bring for your ma, go give her a proper health checkup. I'm sure Plankabas bring for your ma, go give her a health checkup. When last you bring your mother, go buy some new drawers, some new clothes. Put on 1 year pan her. You know see Plankabas doing something for your mother. You don't see it? Erica, your curse is a cursed big stinking bitch. I'm not because of a Plankabas, I tell you the truth. You is cursed. That's your pit them don't love you. And them tell us that all them have to give when they're dead is one blood clot back. Imagine bringing for pit in this world, but tell us that when they're dead, all them have to give one box. You're not shame drunk, you're not shame. And then you want to come cuss people and their mother and them pit in that. What to go suck out it? Nah, but I said that. Who you again? Angela, who you again? He's a fucking thief. That is who he is actually. He's a thief. You use the people them pay most of the plankanish them and suck out 30 million to the people them yai. And they want to come boast like you've done something good. Let me tell you this, it's that 30 million, I ain't gonna bury you. And you're not going to spend after that money. So you better start them now. You better start them from now. I'm going to go to suffer now. Because when you blink, you're going to drop out. You're most dead. You're going to dead a really bad dead too. You're dead bad. You're dead like dog. You're going to suffer. You. Drunker. Shithouse Erica. Stinking pussy Erica. You must suffer. I'm not asking you to tell you the truth. Understand? You see, Porty, I tell you the truth, girl. Anyways, let's move to other voice notes. Newer ones, fresh ones. Oh, and by the way, I don't care who wanna be upset. This woman should drag my mother for months. Shit, for years, she drag my mother, go, she drag her come. I finally one day, I say, you know, me not look panak. You know, I know my mother. I know who my mother is. And my mother, a good girl. Understand? And she's very ambitious. Unlike that slut who still are posted all our blood clot life. Stinking one Erica. You could have never walked into my mother league. Me not ask her that. I tell her the truth I got love. You see, all of my mother's children them. But when my mother pick them their own her. We check up on her every day. When last few them check up on you. Shit, when last you talk to your grandson, yeah. Hello grandson, move your stinking done up blood clot dirty woman. You're out harder. Anyways, let's move into some new voice notes. Let's get them ready.
Fletcher sent $25 and I'm $22 and I'm Dwayne Fletcher sent $25 and I'm $22 and I'm cash up for me go buy ganja. What do you know go suck out in thinking bumbo clot mama avoid me man?
Alright. These voices they just come in my attention. Porty, at least I have a mother to suck shit. I had a mother. My mother gave birth to me when I was a child. And I sucked on her titties to the point where, listen, you see, it's my big and trunk. Even till this day, my mother still spoiled me. When last any of your pitting them poil you? When last you poil for your ma? Don't live on the blood clot chapaling. Well, I say poiler. Well, I say give her some grocery. Well, I say give her one birthday gift. Well, I say bring her in your house and say, yo, probably take a look at what's there sleeping and movie nasty blood clot dirty Eric and a suck out the thinking my back. You big stinking sellout catches bitch. Oh yeah. Everybody afraid of you? And see a slut is a big stinking slut. Matt Reed Mott is a slut. A whore. Whorella. Whorisha. Sellout catches you. No mileage catches bitch. Angela Merchant, that is you. Understand? No grip all Angela. No crutches. Done out all Erica. I do that. Alright, Mama Jice, you come now.
For him. Oh, that dirty stinker. He want a kick in him. Look at the man. Look at the dirty drunk.
Mama Jice, Mama Jice, look between your legs. Open your legs and you'll see with the stinking junker there. It takes a junker to know a junker. Imagine one big hardback great tone soon jump, soon to dead, all foul like a you. One old dirty woman like you, all wrinkled, all a walk with thick. You should be the last person to come here where you come style people. Dirty soon to dead, dirty woman. You can't stand nobody. Who's you, Mama Jice? You know, see your lens are thicker than one blood clot. We call it triple glaze window. Your glass they're thicker than a blood clot triple glaze. You can't stand about dirty old woman. Dirty old Mama Jice. You can't stand. Mama Jice go dig up your old. Mama Jice go and dig up your dead husband and suck him blood clot dead bone him. Come and see your husband dead lad. Go dig him out to the blood clot. Sapolko in a suck on him blood clot dead boy. You soon got blood clot meet him too. You all blood clot dirty drunk all fall Mama Jice. Who's you again? You can't call about this. You can't call about this stinker. Mama Jice, you having a picnic? Mama Jice, you not see it. You have to depend such me in a young people business. Mama Jice got suck out your thinking matter. If you can't find him blood clot, who you? Who's you? I'm afraid of you. Which part Mama Jice a drunk, Mama Jice a dog shit. The one live in that group. I saw them deal with Mama Jice, oh yo, dirty old drunk, Mama Jice, oh yo. Mama Jice, who's you, Mama Jice? Eh? Mama Jice got suck out your ma if you can find her. Oh yo. Who's you, Mama Jice? You can't stand me? Yes, me get a look at dirty drunker, cooked. $20 for go buy some ganja because clearly they should come out there and never price so maybe you need a fix. Awa. Me give you $20. You should take and go buy one ass weed. You should take the money and do exactly what you go buy one ganja. You understand? Here what you do. Send it back come give me. Cause me broke now. I'm broke around here. Send it back come. Send it back come give me cause I need it now. Send it back come. Support you in my chat. Send it back come. How you? The fuck do now? Who know? Anybody afraid now no? Especially alcohol drunk. Mama just see you as a Christian and you fear push peace. But no, dog shit like a you, the pay a push war with alcohol sell out crack is dirty all that there. Mama just go suck your dead husband blood clot giant pod if you can't find it. The fuck do you? Alright.
You ever see this? Turn to sender with some Tory and 19 that you do. Return it to sender and tell him which part we go put it. £22. That you do. Turn to send. I want to the dirty boy. I want to the dirty.
Alright. So send it back then. Why didn't she send it back? Did she send it back? No. And you know this voice, yes sir, and me never catch a voice there. But you, Miss Lady, where you have to tell Port if you do. I go tell Port if you go find back our pussy grip. Tell Port say, if you go back to the one of the man who will fuck out our wall and gear back our glue in our fucking wall. And that is what tell her if you go do. You understand? And that is what tell Port if you go do. Go back to the one of the man which said our stinking no mileage old toe and tell him if you gear back our pussy grip for our all. And that is what tell her if you go do. You understand? None of you can style me. None of you can style this boy, me tell you the truth. I'm fucking classy. On say on a friend with one big stinking done out blood clot done the world dirty woman. Disease blood clot factory. Angela Merchant. Last time you see my blood clot begin and stinking all. The last time, remember, say, in come back and collect money for fixing vaginal infection, fix down the sucker, down the blood clot, leak like a blood clot eye stroke. Whenever some come back and collect money for fix anything, move stinking pot of your blood clot minions, and oh no, all you go suck out on a mama over potty. The fuck? Oh no. Planka the best yet to come. On a soon get it. Me know so now wait for on a soon get it.
I want to kill a dirty boy, yeah. What is wrong with him? But expose him for your life. Expose him.
Expose what she forgot expose are the money, the 30 million what she thief and the people them, especially go and tell the planks what she do that with them 13 million. And that she forgot expose. My little $22. That's nothing to expose. And bear in mind, me they come from like on tax. But remember, me they come back on tax. Me send them money for buy a ganja. It was so funny.
Expose him for your life. Don't dirty shit house.
Shit house and you're thinking, shit house and you're thinking, my will get blood clot birth and another blood clot shit house, dirty woman, whoever you is. You know, so I try to pick up an advice, yeah, but I couldn't find out old advice, yeah. Maybe that big stinking church out nose old girl from England, you know. I would have one, yeah. Hey, Keisha, now, who is this one? I don't know this voice. Maybe he was over there when I spelled it over there. I don't know that one, yeah. I really don't know. I don't know this one.
We're not gonna find.
Keisha, do you know who this one is? I don't know who this one is.
I want to kill a dirty boy, yeah. What is wrong with him? But expose him for your life. Expose him. Expose him for your life. Don't dirty shit house. We're not gonna find something do, man.
All right.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.